Summer rain feels nice, cozy, and romantic. That is until the mosquitoes arrive and the romance takes a backseat to swatting, scratching, and slapping. Did you know mosquitoes and flies love temps over 80 degrees Fahrenheit? It's true. As the mercury rises, so does their activity level. Not only are they annoying, but they can also spread diseases. So it's important to take measures to control their population around your home. Here's a simple recipe to keep them away naturally. First, what insect drives you crazy at home? Is it flies or ants? Maybe it's mosquitoes. All over the world, different cultures have different recipes to repel these unwanted guests. Today, we'll share one that is effective against mosquitoes and ants. This mix will keep them away naturally without any harsh chemicals. This is a mix of ingredients that not only smells amazing, but also repels mosquitoes and ants. Let me show you how. 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 bay leaves, and half a cup of vinegar. Now let's get to work. Add cloves and bay leaves in a vessel. Pour water in it and bring to a boil. Let it boil for about 10 minutes, then turn off the gas and let it cool down. Strain the liquid and add vinegar to it. Give it a good stir and your natural repellent is ready. Now transfer this liquid into a spray bottle. And don't forget to label it. This homemade cleaner is a powerful insect repellent. Spray it around your home wherever bugs like to roam, on tables, kitchen counters, windowsills, door frames, anywhere. This simple trick will not only keep your home smelling fresh and clean, but also protect you from pesky mosquitoes and ants. Their strong bite and the dirt they carry can be a big problem, so this is a great solution to keep them away. Now you can enjoy your summer evenings in your garden without any fear. No more getting bitten or dealing with the diseases they carry. No more discomfort or ruined picnics. Just think about it. A few simple ingredients that you likely already have at home, and you can say goodbye to those pesky flies and mosquitoes. Give this a try and let us know if it works for you. Like and follow Earthwise RX for more home remedy tips.